This looks awesome. I've been to Disneyland a couple times, and one of my favorite snacks over there is from the Cozy Cone Motel. It is a pizza cone with different things in it. Sometimes they have sweet stuff, sometimes they have mac and cheese. That's one of my favorite treats over there. So I decided I'm gonna make it at home because I'm craving it and I wanna show you guys how to make it too. So let's go. So for our experiment today, we're going to be using some aluminum foil in the shape of a cone. That's as best as I could do because I'm terrible at making cones, I guess, out of aluminum foil. I'm not a sculptor. Some pizza dough that's already made, or you can make your own or do whatever you want. I just got this. I was gonna get normal pizza dough, but they did not have it, so I guess I got the thin crust pizza dough. And because it's the breakfast time, I'm going to be doing scrambled eggs inside of my pizza cone. And you can put whatever you want. If you want to make it a dessert one, you can make a Nutella and berries one. Or if you want to do mac and cheese, or you want to do a pizza cone, or you want to do scrambled eggs. Do whatever you want. Put whatever you want inside of it. It's yours. So you have your pizza dough, and then you just cut it into strips that you're going to be putting around the cone. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just make strips, and then we're going to put it around the cone. Once you have your pizza cone all coned up, then you're gonna put it in the oven. This one says 425, and then I'm gonna cook it until it's all done. So probably about, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes or so. Just depends on your oven. And then while that's cooking, I'm gonna make up my eggs, and you can make up whatever you want inside of it that you're gonna put inside the cone when it's done. And then I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. This looks awesome. I had a little bit of some hiccups while I was taking the aluminum foil out, but it's okay. It worked. It worked out. It smells good, so let's see how it tastes. That brings back memories of being at Disneyland just in a different way. Because I never had a breakfast one, which I don't even know if they sell a breakfast one. If they don't, they should, because this is awesome. I suggest you make one if you miss Disneyland, if you've never been to Disneyland, you want to try something fun, even fun for the kids, like pizza night or whatever. This is a lot of fun, so I will see you guys later. Remember to love yourselves and each other. Bye-bye.